Welcome to Longrich. This is a presentation of the International Compensation Plan of a Platinum VIP. Important things to remember. These are the terms that you have to remember in order for you to fully understand the compensation plan of Longrich. PV means points value. Every Longrich product has an equivalent value. Generations are considered as your direct referrals. Spillover. The distributor who is brought forward to you by your uplines. They are considered part of your placement tree. Sponsor tree, where your direct referrals are placed. Placement tree. This is where your direct referrals and spillovers are counted. Legs means groups. Level means placement of your downlines. There are 4 entry-level positions in Longrich. The first entry level is the Platinum VIP account. Your performance bonus is 12% of the total points value accumulated with a potential maximum income of $22,500 per week per leg. The second entry level is the Gold account. Your performance bonus is 10% of the total points value accumulated with a potential maximum income of $7,500 per week per leg. The third entry level is the Silver account. Your performance bonus is 8% of the total points value accumulated with a potential maximum income of $1,500 per week per leg. The fourth entry level is the Q Silver account. Your performance bonus is 8% of the total points value accumulated with a potential maximum income of $750 per week per leg. This is an advanced and powerful compensation plan which offers greater profitability. It eliminates the pitfalls, drawback, and weakness of traditional network marketing systems. It will propel you toward financial freedom. So, how will you earn in doing the Longrich business? The first way to earn is through performance bonus. The entry level that we will use, for example, is the Platinum VIP account, where you can earn 12% commission of the total accumulated points value every week and has a maximum potential income of $22,500 per week per leg. So for example, this is you as a leader. You can build 3 groups under your network. Group A, Group B, and Group C. For example, in your first week, you have accumulated 150,000 group points value under Group A. And under Group B, you have accumulated 100,000 group points value. And under Group C, you have accumulated 50,000 group points value. Now you have to remember that the group which has the highest accumulated group points value will be classified by the system as your qualifying leg, and the other 2 legs will be your payout leg. Now, since Group A has the highest accumulated group points value, then this will be classified by the system as your qualifying leg, and Group B and Group C will be classified as your payout leg. Here is a sample computation of your payout for the first week. Under Group B, it will be computed as 100,000 group points value times 12% equals $12,000. Under Group C, it's 50,000 group points value times 12% equals $6,000. So your total earnings for the first week is $18,000. On your second week, under Group A, you have accumulated 250,000 group points value. And under Group B, you have accumulated 200,000 group points value. And under Group C, you have accumulated 150,000 group points value. Now, since Group A has the highest accumulated group points value, this will be classified as your qualifying leg, and Group B and C will still be your payout leg. Now, the sample computation of your payout for the second week will be 200,000 group points value minus 100,000 group points value that was taken from your first week equals 100,000 times 12% equals $12,000. And for Group C, it's computed as 150,000 group points value minus 50,000 group points value taken from your first week equals 100,000 group points value times 12% equals $12,000. So your total earnings for the second week is $24,000. Now on your third week, you have accumulated 350,000 group points value under Group A. And under Group B, you have accumulated 400,000 group points value. And under Group C, you have accumulated 250,000 group points value. Again, the group with the highest accumulated group points value will be classified by the system as your qualifying leg. So on your third week, your qualifying leg will be under Group B. And Group A and Group C will be your payout leg. The sample computation for the payout for your third week will be under Group A, it's 350,000 minus 200,000 group points value that was taken from the group points value accumulated from your first week and second week. This equals to 150,000 group points value times 12% equals $18,000. And under Group C, it's computed as 250,000 group points value minus 150,000 group points value taken from the group points value accumulated from your first week and second week, which equals to 100,000 group points value times 12% equals $12,000. So your total earnings for the third week is $30,000. The second way to earn is through development bonus, where you get 10% bonus weekly based on placement tree. Spillovers are also counted. The requirement for you to get the development bonus is to have a minimum of 2 legs with at least a 240 points value entry level. For a sample computation for development bonus, let's say in your first week, for your first level, your Group A achieved 1,680 points value. And under Group B, you achieved a 700 points value. And under Group C, you achieved 480 points value. Now the system will determine the qualifying leg based on the group with the highest points value, and that is Group A. So Group A is your qualifying leg on your level 1, and the payout leg on your level 1 is Group B and Group C. The development bonus is computed as follows for your level 1. Under Group B, it is 700 points value times 10% equals $70. Under Group C, it's 480 points value times 10% equals $48. So your total earnings for level 1 is $118 for your development bonus. Now in level 2, let's say under Group A, you achieved 1,200 points value and 200 points value. Under Group B, you have achieved 900 points value and 480 points value. And under Group C, you achieved 1,680 points value and 720 points value. Now the qualifying leg will be Group C because it has the highest points value of 1,680. So the payout leg will be Group A and Group B. The computation for the development bonus on your level 2 will be as follows. 1,200 points value times 10% equals $120. 1,200 points value was chosen as it is the highest points value under Group A. Under Group B, it's 900 points value times 10% equals $90. 900 is chosen because it has the highest points value under your Group B. So the total earnings for your level 2 is $210. Now on your level 3, let's say under Group A, you achieved 1,680 points value, 720 points value, 200 points value, and under Group B, you achieved 720 points value, 480 points value, and 1,680 points value. And under Group C, you achieved 1,200 points value, 1,680 points value. Now, as you can see, all groups have achieved 1,680 points value. So the system will only choose one group as the qualifying leg. In this example, we have chosen Group A as our qualifying leg, and the payout leg is Group B and Group C. The development bonus for Level 3 will be computed as follows. 1,680 points value times 10% equals $168. Now, 1,680 was chosen as it is the highest points value under Group B. Under Group C, 1,680 points value times 10% equals $168. So your total earnings for Level 3 for your development bonus is $336. Now your total bonus for this week is computed as follows. $118 plus $210 plus $336 equals $664. Third way to earn is through leadership bonus. Leadership bonus entitles you to receive a percentage of performance bonus up to 12 generations based on sponsored tree and ranking. For 1 diamond, you get 10% leadership bonus on your first generation, with a total of 10% leadership bonus, with the minimum group points value of 720. For 3 diamond, you get 10% leadership bonus on your first generation and 5% leadership bonus on your second and third generation, with a total of 20% leadership bonus, with a minimum group points value of 3,600 and an organization requirement minimum of 2 legs with 2 diamond distributors in each leg. For 6 diamond, you get 10% leadership bonus on your first generation and 5% leadership bonus on your second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth generation, with a total of 35% leadership bonus, with a minimum group points value of 225,000, an organization requirement minimum of 2 legs with 5 diamond distributors in each leg, and a weekly new group volume of 250. For a 5-star diamond, you get 10% leadership bonus on your first generation and 5% leadership bonus on your second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh generation, and 1% leadership bonus on your 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th generation, with a total of 45% leadership bonus, with a minimum group points value of 60 million and an organization requirement minimum of 3 legs with 3-star diamond distributors in each leg and a weekly new group volume of 20,000. Fourth way to earn is your retail order bonus. All Longrich distributors are required of a maintenance of 30 points value every month, meaning they have to purchase products worth of 30 points value every month to maintain their accounts and get their commissions. You can earn up to 15 levels based on your placement tree. Spillovers are counted based on the maintenance of 30 points value every month. The retail order bonus is computed at 30 points value times 4.5% equals to 1.35 in dollars. For example, if you have 100 Longrich distributors under you, which maintains 30 points value every month, then you get a retail order bonus of $135 a month, computed at 100 times $1.35. If you have 1,000 Longrich distributors under you, then you get $1,350 per month. And if you have 10,000 Longrich distributors under you, then you get $13,500 every month. And if you have 100,000 distributors under you, then you get $135,000 every month. The second way to earn through retail order bonus is based on your sponsor tree. On top of the 30 points value maintenance every month, You can earn up to 45% of retail order bonus by placing repeat or maintenance order either by yourself or distributors within your sponsor tree. Percentage is based on points value earned on top of maintenance. If you exceed 3,500 points value, you will be promoted as a super distributor. 3 ways to become a super distributor. First, if your distributor's repeat or maintenance order reached 3,500 points value, then you become a super distributor. Second, if one of your distributors become a super distributors, then you also become a super distributor. Third, if 2 of your distributors become super distributor, then you also become super distributor. Now, if 3 of your distributors become a super distributor, you will become a 3SD and will receive a breakaway of 10% bonus. If you are a person with big dreams and would love to support others in achieving their big dreams, then the network marketing business is definitely a business for you. You can start your business part-time at first, and then as your business grows, you can help other people start their part-time business. This is a value worth having, a business and people who help others make their dreams come true. Quoted by Robert T. Kiyosaki, an entrepreneur and author. This is the end of the presentation for the Longrich Marketing Plan.